Hello beauties, what's up? Welcome to the Kendy Beauty channel. Today we're going to look at the June 2020 base box. Its value will be up to $300 this month. And I find a lot of times when we have a Boxy Luxe month, the base box looks amazing. It always makes me want to purchase another box. And it looks like it's turning out to be this way again. So remember, in June, if you are a Luxe member, you will not get a base box. But if you're not a Luxe member, you do get your base box. So let's start off with our choice items for the base box this month. The first ones were the Benefit Professional Face Primer in the OG and also in the Hydrating Primer. These both sell for $32, and these have been out a while, especially the OG one. It's great for enlarged pores. It covers them up really nicely, and fine lines and wrinkles. Now, the hydrating primer will give you just that little bit extra hydration that you need. So looking at the stars on these, it gets a 4.1 out of 5 stars, and it has 7.5 thousand reviews. So lots of people have these products. If you don't, you probably picked this one if you're new to Boxycharm. It's a great choice. The next choice item was from Artist Couture. It's the Diamond Glow Powder. This comes in 12 different shades. It sells for $27. It was on sale. One of the shades called Broadway, the Opulent Pink, was on sale for $13.50. And all this is a loose highlight powder that you would use on the high points of your face. The next item was from Lash, the Triple X Mascara. This is supposed to give you 3 times the coverage in one swipe. It sells for $24. It's a high-end mascara, and it's supposed to lengthen and thicken your lashes. And the last choice item was from Tula. It's the Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. This sells for $28. It's a luminous eye balm stick that delivers lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines and wrinkles. So this sounds like a great product. I love Tula, and it gets a 4.6 out of 5 stars. So Tula's products are always a plus. Now, the next 3 items we were told were in the base box, and we were going to get one of these palettes. The first palette was from Shared Planet. It's called the Polar Bear palette. It's got beautiful blues and icy tones in this palette. It sells for $48. Shared Planet also gives a portion of their profits to natural causes like the glaciers and preserving the glaciers for the polar bears. The next palette was the Shared Palette Tiger palette. The next palette was the Shared Planet Tiger palette. And of course, this was saving the habitat for the tigers. It also sells for $48, and it's a beautiful warm tone palette. Now, we were told at first we would get one of these 3 eye palettes in our base box. The third palette is from Touch and Soul. It's the Fill Up Orange palette. This also comes in pink, but he's only showed the orange one. I think that's the one that's available to us. The description of this palette says, combine your love for strong color and glamorous glitter in the newest eyeshadow palette from Touch and Soul. Get 9 different shades in matte and glitter textures, perfect for creating versatile looks. These eyeshadows are non-creasing and glide onto lids smoothly for easy application and long-lasting wear. Use Fill Up Orange to create coppery burnt tones. Today he also showed some confirmation on 2 other sneak peeks we had seen. The first one is from Pearlies. It's the Glow BB Cream, and it's an SPF 30 BB cream. It comes in 8 different shades, and all this is a foundation that has SPF in it. It also has moisturizing ingredients in it, as well as ingredients to help your skin glow. This BB cream is oil-free, moisturizing, and it gives you a natural looking coverage. It's matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. The next item is from Smashbox. It's the Photo Finish Setting Spray Weightless. This sells for $32. This is a weightless setting spray that makes makeup transfer proof and improves the wear for up to 16 hours with a comfortable, non-sticky, non-greasy feel. This setting spray gets 4.5 out of 5 stars, which is very good, with 310 reviews. These last two and the next ones are just random base box sneak peeks that are confirmed. But today he showed us a small little sneak peek, and I'll show you the sneak peek now, and then I'll tell you about the new items that could possibly be in your base box.
Guys, couple more items that will be in our June base box. So we have Perlice BB cream with SPF 30. We're gonna have Smashbox setting spray, some more palette options. I was trying to swatch this one, but I'm holding the phone, so it wasn't working out. But anyway, those are a couple more palette options. I have shown you some other palettes that will be in the box in a previous video, and also those two are going to be in our premiums, which is the Coca Contour palette by Too Faced and the Avocado Retinol Sleeping Mask by Glow Recipe. Okay, that's for the premium. The rest are more options into our base box.
Okay, ladies, let's look at what he just showed us. We have several Zoeva palettes. The first one was the Zoeva Heritage Eyeshadow Palette. This one sells for $28. It's made in Germany. Most of these are. It's a tin pan palette. It's inspired by ancient Greek art. It's got 6 matte formulas, including 1 with glitter, 2 metallics, 1 satin shade, and 1 shimmer. The next palette is from Zoeva. It's the Zoeva Spice of Life Eyeshadow Palette. And I had my eye on this one last time we got some palettes from Zoeva. It's just gorgeous. It also sells for $28 and is made in Germany. It's a tin pan palette. It ranges from neutral to bold looks. It's got 5 shimmers, 4 mattes, and 1 metallic. It's got pink coppery rose, a red orange saffron. The mattes are in cinnamon brown, reddish brown clove, and gingerbread brown. Sounds gorgeous. The third palette he showed us today from Zoeva is the Premiere eyeshadow palette, valued at $28, and it's also made in Germany. It's designed to create deep smoldering looks. 4 mattes, 3 shimmers, 2 metallics, and 1 duochrome. It's got metallic vintage brass. The mattes are creamy nutmeg, soft rosy mauve, rustic sienna. The shimmer is a dark antique fuchsia, and the duochrome shade is a dusty lilac with aquamarine. That just sounds gorgeous. The fourth Zoeva eyeshadow palette is called the Zoeva Naturally Yours eyeshadow palette. This one is made in Italy. It sells for $28. This palette is described as sophistication with simplicity. It features beautifully coordinated variations of timelessly elegant nude shades. So this is a nude toned palette. It's got duochrome, metallics, mattes, and satin shades. Some of the colors in here are warm medium brown, which is a matte. Some of the other mattes are dark burgundy brown, ivory beige, very intense matte black, light matte beige. The shimmers are in pinky beige, golden beige, warm brown with a shot of golden shimmer, and a cool shimmer in dark brown. So it has warm tones and cool tones. The one duochrome is an orangey brown with an emerald sheen, just gorgeous. And the last palette is a blush palette. The one on the screen that he showed looks like the Nude Spectrum blush palette. It actually comes in 3 different tones. It sells for $22, and the 3 shades it comes in is pink, nude, and coral. And I think the one he showed us is the nude one. These are made in Italy. It has 4 sublime bronze shades for the cheeks, warming the original skin tone and enhancing the contours of your skin. It has matte and pearl finishes, and it's buildable, and it'll give you a healthy sun-kissed glow. All the blushes can be layered from medium to high coverage. It also comes in the pink and coral, so here are the 3 different shades they come in, but like I said, the only shade he showed was the nude one, so that probably is going to be the only one available. I just wanted to show you the pink and the coral just in case it was available. So what do you think about the new additions to the sneak peeks and the base box for June? We never get 2 palettes in a box. Sometimes we'll get a palette and maybe a blush palette in a Boxyluxe, you know, like an eyeshadow palette as well as a blush palette, but we've never gotten 2 eyeshadow palettes in a Boxyluxe. So I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know if we'll get one of all the different palettes, but I will make sure to tell you as I learn more about what's going to be in the June box. I just wanted to bring this to you so you're up to date on what's going on in Boxycharm. If anybody is interested in joining Boxycharm, I have all the information down below. I do get a small percentage of any new person who joins. It's very small, but it does help my channel out if you use my link to subscribe, and I appreciate it so much. Remember, we have the giveaway going on for May. That is the Allure Beauty Life's a Drag palettes. I have 2 of these babies to give out for May. Thank you so much for watching. Let beauty transform you inside and out, and always have a beautiful smile on your face. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!
If I'm the bad one, take a look at yourself in the mirror. If I'm the worst one, ask anybody else who they prefer. If it comes down to me and you, I think that you are the one with a bad attitude. Why start a conflict? You